y'all, it's Melissa, your Major Organizer San Antonio franchise owner, and I'm back again to talk to you about something that I did this morning as we continue to march towards simplicity. This is a great concept that Faithful Organizers did during March, and Major Organizers is proud to continue it on through April to help you and all of our clients and anybody out there who's just wanting to get more organized, to take back some control of the clutter and chaos that is weighing you down. So I bought a super cute handbag on clearance at Target not too long ago, and it's been hanging on the doorknob in the bathroom. Just every day I see it and I say, oh, I can't wait to use that handbag. And then I pause and I say, oh, but I'm gonna have to clean out my purse. And so I've kind of been putting it off for a little bit. But today I decided I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna tackle that project. So I emptied everything out of my purse and discovered that there's a hole in the bottom of my purse in the lining. And I found all kinds of interesting things underneath the lining of my purse, including 8 pens, $5.27 in change. So I see a Starbucks run coming up later this afternoon. So anyway, as I emptied everything out, I started sorting everything into all the different categories. You know, I had trash, I had business cards, I had chapstick, I had pens, a lot of pens, money, all of the stuff. I sorted them into categories. And then I did the super easy thing. I got rid of all of the trash and all of the items that didn't belong in my purse. I had a luggage tag. I had the car freshener things that you stick in the vents that I put in my purse to put it into my car vent, and it didn't make it into the car vent. It was in the hole in the bottom of my purse. But so I took care of that, put that in my car, took out the extra set of tissues that I had in my purse. So I just kind of put everything away where it needed to go. And then I looked at the remaining stuff and I said, okay, what is it that I actually use regularly in my purse? And I made a couple of decisions of a few things that I didn't really want to carry with me every day. And at that point then, I had a very small amount of things that I actually need. Now this may be different for everybody, because based on your needs and everything, you might need to have your snacks or wipes or, you know, what have you, whatever stage of your life is, and that's fine. So that'll be different for everybody, what you need to have. But once I determined what it is that I really needed, then I put it back in my purse, and oh my God, it's like, I'm so excited now because I'm going to be using my brand new purse for the first time today, and it's totally clean. Everything I need is in there. Nothing I don't need is in there. And so I was really happy that I went ahead and made the decision to do that today, and I wanted to take a minute to share it with y'all. And so you can do it too. I've also included some before and after pictures, and so you can see the process, what that looks like. And if you need help with any of those types of projects, no matter how small or how big, Major Organizers is always here to help you out. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna go run to Starbucks. See ya.